Welcome guys, boy King GK here at Newton FX. I'm just gonna break down the trades that I call uh this afternoon for you guys, and why did I call it in a trade from yesterday as well. This is basically the trades that I took on US30 as well, and other trades I didn't have it in. So but yeah, let's just go over over through why did I actually took all of these trades and what gave me the confidence to take it, guys, because why you are in the learn and earn mentorship to learn as well as a trader. So let me just jump straight back into it, guys. So let's start it from our daily time frame, right? Everything start always from a daily time frame to know which way and where we're going with the market and the momentum, right? So what I can see and what you guys can see is that the market is bullish overall momentum, right? We look at that steep rally moves to the upside, but that is a good sign for us to know that we're bullish, right? So we're gonna be so serious on our buys and not actually look for sells, right? We can take a sell here and there, but not long-term sell. So let's keep it short on the sell. So what you guys can see here on US30 is that price is basically in this range, right? Price uh, was create this low right here and then create this high, but this high is not higher than the previous high. So basically price is creating this consolidation, right? Price is basically in this range for now. It's a few days in this range. So if price is going to continue to the upside, price will most likely break out of this area. But so let me jump why did we took this trade this morning. So what I noticed is that price was respected for 6 days on this strong daily level, guys. For 6 days on this strong daily level, price couldn't break out of it because why this level was so strong, we got rejected all over again and again and again. So our bias was not really valid here. So let's zoom into 4 hour. And one thing, guys, remember that the blue marks that you see in my daily levels and the red marks you will see is basically my 4 hour level. So yesterday we was stuck in this consolidation, as you guys can see. We was stuck in this consolidation. I was waiting for setup right here. I was waiting for breakout, right? I was waiting for price to break out, come for retracement and retest, breakout and retest, give us a confirmation, and then I will call the trade and take it to the upside. But I didn't call it because why I wasn't satisfied with the structure and setup, because why what I was to show you guys is that this is a really strong daily level, so we cannot play around with this level just like, oh guys, let's take it straight on it. No, let's be serious about it, guys. Let's take it serious. So this trade, this buy setup that I call here, the reason for this buy entry right here is, as you guys can see, we have this strong 4 hour level, right, with a lot of rejections. We have simple false breaks. Here you can see we have false break with 2 candles. We have this beautiful complex false break right here as well. Market structure, there's momentum on this 4 hour level, right? So let's scale into 1 hour so you guys can see more. So here you can see price basically got rejected from this 4 hour level again. So but I call this straight from a 5 minute candle, right? From a 5 minute confluence, because why I know if price respect this area, we will most likely fly, right? So where was my call? It was, oh yep. There was my call, this candle, right? I was seeing price starting to go up, come down, this beautiful rejection. Once this candle close, guys, once this bullish candle close, I call my position, right? And I was like, okay, I'm not gonna have a tight stop. I cannot put my stop under here because the momentum can still stop me out, and that is what was happening. So that is why I keep my stop under the previous level of support, because why the support in resistance works like magnets. So if price would have come in close and breaks under, it will most likely come in test this area. So that is why I was keeping my stop just under this level of support. So most likely price can just come easily come in test this area and then continue to the upside. The price didn't. So once this candle closed right here, there's a beautiful double bottom for us, and that is a good sign for us. The price may fly to the moon. And that is what price was doing. Basically price was coming hit all of it, take profits, not all of it, but I think it was 3 take profits. Like this one was hit, and this one, and we was having a second one here as well. So that was hit. So and I was basically want to call a sell, so I was like, nah, I'm not gonna be greedy on it, guys. I already did so much on it, so I'm not gonna call it sales, because right, this is always a setup that most of the time work. You understand? You can see price got rejected from a strong daily level, right? Market structure break all the way to the downside, come and test this 4-hour level. Price is rallied back to the upside. So this is basically a break and retest confirmation for us, right? You see that beautiful 61850 golden zone got respected right here on the T. We have this candle confirmation right here where we can take the shells to the downside, target this area and target the previous level of support. But I didn't call that for you guys, so I was like, okay, this trade is enough. I'm not gonna go deep into it. So yeah, this second setup was basically like this. The reason why I didn't buy here, I was about to buy here because right there was a few confluence why I can call it buy here, but I was like, nah, I'm not gonna let my team down. I'm gonna wait. That is why I was posting. Let me show you guys. I was telling my team I'm gonna wait, guys. It's my learning on. I was telling you guys I'm gonna wait, guys. Where is that? Tell you guys, let's see what we have today. I'm waiting for a setup. I'm waiting, guys. So I understand, you look at the time, that was like 8:17 a.m. guys, and look at the time, like 3 like 3 p.m. man. So I was waiting, man. I was waiting. Yes, you guys can see I was waiting. Just check on the times. I was really waiting for it, guys, and I was calling this by around 3:57 p.m. right? This is the time when I was calling that beautiful buy setup. Because why did I call this buy? Let's jump back into it, guys. So the reason why I call the buy is right. So it was market structure break all the way to the upside, right? Price form this level of resistance and level of support. So price basically starting to range. So once I saw price start to close above on a 4-hour, above a 4-hour level, let me show you guys quickly. This is textbook, guys. Oh, that's why. So once I saw this candle, it's a 4-hour candle close above this 4-hour level. So now we're back into this range, guys. You know this is a terrible range. So we're back in this range. So what I will do best is to buy back into the range sub, right? So market structure close with a 4-hour candle back into this range, right? So now it's going, okay, you want to close back into the range, let's buy you back then. So with a 4-hour candle, we close back into the range. Now it's like, let's just remove this Fibonacci from now. Now it's like, okay, from this low to this high, price come to the upside, come to the downside, right? Look, where did I call it setup? Once price got rejected from this strong 4-hour level of that was resistant, that's becoming now a support, I call it right on, like bam, right? I call this position. I didn't have like a huge stop loss, was 60 points. It's okay. So it was just under this area, it was just under this low, right? I know if price come and break this low, we most likely will continue all the way, come test this area, and then we will go down again, right? So that is why they call this trade. Remember, guys, The 4 hour candle closed above a strong 4 hour candle of, sorry guys, a 4 hour level price come for a retest on this candle. I saw this price got rejected, this candle got rejected, and I call this buy position, and all of our targets was hit. And this was beautiful, guys. It was like a 90-point move, I think. 70, yeah, 70 point move. Yeah, so but we did great, guys. We did great this week. So I'm not gonna trade tomorrow, guys. So uh I will see you guys next week. So tomorrow, guys, just be safe and take care of your accounts, guys. We did great this week. We really out here to grow small accounts and build it up, guys, and become profitable, guys. That is the name of the game. That is why we develop this learn and earn, guys, to become profitable traders and build, guys, and build and grow as traders and learn as much as we can. So stay blessed, guys. Peace out.